Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, we're going to answer a question that was asked by one of our subscribers. Now here recently, if you've been following the channel, you know we just repaired a John Deere Gator Peg-Perego 12-volt vehicle for my boys. Remember, I was working on that. I'll drop a card up above and drop a link down in the description below. And for that, we diagnosed it to be that the motors were bad, so we replaced the motors in the gearboxes, and that thing's been running beautifully and the kids have been outside playing with it. However, one of our subscribers asked the question, hey, is there any way to disconnect the motor from the gearbox? Do you have to replace it all as assembly? Is there any way to get this motor off this gearbox? That is a very good question. As you can see, luckily I saved the old gearboxes and motors, so that's the question we're going to answer today. Let's head over to the workbench and let's see if we can get this motor off this gearbox. Hold on and we'll be right back. So we're over at the workbench now, and this is the old motor and gearbox assembly. So as you can see here, this is the gearbox and this is the DC motor. And the question is, can we remove this from here? So let's just look around, flip this over. On this side, I see two Phillips head screws. So let me get the screwdriver and let's remove these screws and see if that does it. It may just be that easy. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. That other one over here. That's it. So all we did is remove those two screws right here, and this motor came straight out, and it looks like it's threaded and it goes in these two holes. And to put it back in here, you just put this back in here. Just like that. And put your screws in. So there you have it. If you want to remove this DC motor from the gearbox, just simply remove those two Phillips head screws and that motor should detach from the gearbox itself. Now if you need some replacement motors, gearboxes, or you need the whole assembly, I'll be sure to drop some links down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.